Hey, in this video, I will show you how to change your Roblox account location if you've accidentally changed it. There's a few ways to do that, so bear with me. Just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also comment down below which country are you watching this video from. Let's start. First thing you want to do is open up Roblox, and I just have it installed, and there's a few things you gotta do. You want to click on the bottom right corner where you have the more option with the 3 dots. From there, you want to go down to settings right here. From settings, you want to click on the first option, account info. On account info, you want to go down a little bit to account location, and you can change it from here to anything you want. But if that doesn't work, if you've already changed it accidentally, what you want to do is go down, go back again, and click on help and safety. From help and safety, you want to click on help. There, you want to click on Roblox account, and here you want to find the location thing. So it should be, account switching, logging in, forget the PIN, how do I change my password? You can also just type in location, changing your account language, playing on a computer, safety, account location, common questions. Go down, contact support. And here you want to say that you just had it changed, change your location on accident, and you want to change it back. That's basically all you got to do. It's pretty simple. Also, comment down below if you have any questions. If this doesn't work for you, I'll try to help you out. See you next video. Bye.